Audio fishermen, here we are. We're in the rip at Awahou in a sou'wester. Wind's picked up in the last half an hour and there's a few fish in here. Let's give it a go, see what happens. Nice fish. 10, 3.5, 4 pounds. Good condition. There's a big school on down here at the moment. Get in and have a look at it. Oh, stunning little fish. Look at that. Absolutely brilliant. Little fat goat, on again. The wind's strong now. And they're catching fish behind us too. A reasonable fish. A hen. Not too bad. What about? Right, yeah, there's a little beauty of a fish. That is an absolutely gorgeous little fish. 2 pounds. Absolutely fit. Perfect condition. That is a stunning little fish. About 1.5 pounds, but just really fit. Absolutely love it. Put it back. Gone. Wow, there's a really nice fish. About 2.5 pounds and just absolutely fit. Stunning account of itself in the cold water. There we go, another nice fish in reasonably good condition. There's a hen and spotties across the top. We'll send it back. There we go, another little stunning little fish. About 2 pounds. From back where we came from.